Going to the beach. Whoa! Show me the bush. Let's go. It's very crunchy. Wow. What's your name?
Okay.
What's your name? Going to the beach right now, and after that we're going to explore Bali. Ooh, it's really warm today. Ooh, it's gonna be fun. Look at the scooter. Vario.
Rjlino gang.
Okay guys, we're on the beach. Oh yeah, look at this. Yes, we're on the beach. Now, I have pain over here on my knee. So, but they say that the sea is like healing. So I will go in the sea. And there's Jan and Melissa. They're already been in the sea. Yeah, Jan with his peace sign. Yeah, I will try it first time with you guys. Oh, yo. I'm in the water right now. Ooh, I like it. It doesn't stain, so that's good. Because I think. Whoa! Look at the water, how clean it is. We're here. So I will be honest, was not really feeling it today to go to the beach because my wound is like, I don't know, my wound is like healing, but it's also scratched into my pants and stuff. And when you come down here, it's really deep. So yeah, I don't know, maybe I'm a little bit tired. So yeah, I'm really excited to swim. So this little update. Look at Ray. Oh. Yeah man, what do you think about the water? Oh, what do you think about the water?
It's so clear, man.
Yeah, look how clear it is. Ooh. So I'm gonna play in the water, gonna swim, you know, do my thing. But yeah, there was a little update. So guys, what are you making? Hot tub. Look at the structure, guys. Look at the structure that they're making the hole in a square, you know. So it's hard work. It's hard work.
Fitness, bro.
Yeah. Yanja, show me the bush. Show me the bush. Show me the bush. Show me the bush.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, gonna eat something, some seafood, nasi. We're done at the beach. It was fun. In the beginning, I didn't want to go to the beach because I didn't feel it. But now, I thought it was fun. Yeah, that was fun. Now the sun is away, so we're gonna ride some scooters and gonna do some other things. We're gonna eat and have fun. See you. What is it? Okay guys, we're going out to eat. Excited. It's evening. Yeah. Let's go. Okay guys, we arrived at the food station. Yeah. Are you hungry, bruh? Are you hungry?
Yeah, man. This is
Yeah. I'm also hungry. Aku lapar. First I'm gonna try the chicken. Oh yeah, look at the chicken. Oh, it's really warm, so I will try it. It's sweet. Alright, you can see it's steaming. I don't know if you see it's steaming, yeah. It comes right from the grill. I will try this. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, shish kebab, also with some pepper. Oh yeah. Cheers guys, cheers. Oh. Whoa. Flavor bomb. I put it in my mouth, like if someone he give you like an uppercut, like you so boom. Okay guys, look at this meat. Wow. Oh, look at the slices. Over here, the big slices. This is what I just got. Slice. I don't know what meat it is, but I will try and then I will think with Young what for meat it is.
Bro, best meat ever, man.
Yeah, man. Wow. The meat's very crunchy. 3 minutes. We have already so much meat. Yeah, man. I was in my room today, and yeah, of course, Anis left, and I will be honest, I miss her like very much. So I need to work really hard because in December, I already told you guys, but in December I will be back in Jakarta. I will live in real life, will explore more of Indonesia, because I really love it, and it's all because of this man, this man over here.
Nah, bro.
Woo. I'm full, man. Look at my belly. I'm full. I ate so much.
Yeah, let's go. Jullie rappers zijn jaloers van wat we doen met de crew.
Good morning in Bali. Today, we're gonna meet up with our other grandpa, Opa Johan. We're gonna meet up with him. We're gonna chill. Maybe we're gonna eat something. I'm really excited, man. Let's go.
Yeah. Ik geef je alle tijd. Ik heb geen haast, ik ben geen dwaas, beter.
Okay guys, we're having some breakfast. Yesterday, I wanted to have some like body spray besides my cologne. Because when I spray my cologne, sometimes my cologne is like fading away. And I don't want to like spray my cologne on my clothes, you know, it will be too much. So I found this. It's my body spray for now. It is eau de parfum. It smells like flowers. So guys, if you're in Indonesia and you're curious how I smell, buy this one. you know how I smell. With my cologne, it's my cologne that I use on my daily basis, I think. And I not only bought like one, I bought 2 of those. Yeah, so this is how you know that it will be my daily. We're gonna eat something good, I think. I'm gonna eat nasi goreng today, because nasi goreng is also good. Nasi goreng is like fried rice. So yeah, it's always good in Indonesia. I'm gonna try it. After this, we're going to my grandpa's. So yeah.
Het is de G-A-R tot de U-D-A. The Steph Asian.
Okay guys, we're at the mall with Ray. We're waiting on Melissa and Jan. I'm on my grandpa, but yeah, we're exploring a little bit. Okay guys, we're gonna try the bread that my grandpa made. Let's try it. See how it tastes. Yeah, it's like this. You see it's really airy. Really airy. Salty in the inside. Yes guys, cheers.
Not bad, bro.
Whoa. Wow. This tastes like bapao, and the bread is really sweet. So wow. So soft. I like it. So guys, if you're in Bali and you wanna have a snack, go to this bakery. I hope it will grow when this video comes out. Maybe they have a store, but now go here.
Hey jongens, op jullie.
Ja.
Ja?
Dank u opa. Cheers. Cheers. Okay guys, this is Gabriel. He's my friend now, a cousin of my grandpa. We're gonna travel. We're gonna go to, I don't know where we.
We're going to Denpasar.
Yeah, we're going to Denpasar with the scooter. So yeah, I can be behind here. We're gonna buy some souvenirs. Yeah, because Ray, you wanted to buy some souvenirs, right? And it's the biggest souvenir in store in Bali.
They have everything. Opa just said that they have everything, all kinds of souvenirs that they have here in Bali, because that's where they are being made or transported.
Yeah, so we will go there, we explore. I love to be like spontaneous, and this is spontaneous. So yeah, Gabriel's also a surfer. So if you see him in the waves, that's him. Yeah. He's following his surfing dream, so yeah, it's really inspiring to see someone like giving up their job to do like the things that they love, and that's what I'm also gonna do. So yeah.
Laat me je zeggen, baby girl, het is niet vreemd. Ken je geen schaamte, baby, je bent de girl.
Hello guys, we're buying some souvenirs at the store. Yeah, you already know we're in here. Look at me. I'm a bag hustler, you know. This is for all the ladies or men that are important to me. So if you have this bag, then you know that I love you. Melissa is also buying these bags. She thinks I'm smart. Yeah, of course. Bags on deck, you know. Okay guys, I'm gonna try this on. So, what do you guys think? Think it's nice. Look at this, also a little bit of gold detail. Yeah.
Laat ik je nu zien, want ik was altijd al je main. Gemixte feelings.
Okay guys, we're home. I'm gonna try also the same, but in chocolate form. I will. See the bread. Taste it. Cheers. Do you know how it tastes like? If you buy some squishy bread. Oh, bro, try it. Thanks. From the store, it's the same as the store. But the bread is softer. Look at this. In 1 second.
Ja man, enak.
En in het begin voelde ik niks, hij was onbedoeld.
One of the best Gojek rides. What's your name?
Okay.
What's your name?
Yosef Tanidawa.
Oh, really?
Drivers Bali.
Yes, he is the best driver that I have. He goes like, it was really fast. So, terima kasih, mas.
Okay.
Tonight, gonna be a special night. Gonna do something really fun. Tonight, I think at 2 a.m. this morning, we're going on a trip, on a boat trip, and hopefully we'll see all dolphins and everything. So yeah, it will be a busy day. Yeah, it's now, I think, 9 or 10. So I will pack my bags and then we will go straight away. So guys, I see you in this video, or I see you in the next video. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.
Let me get it to you. Yeah, that's my boo. Let me get it to you.
Anja, show me the bush. Show me the bush.
Kan ik vertellen dat het niet altijd gaat hoe ik wil. Wil je verwennen op manieren, maar die zijn er te veel. 1 voor 1 komen wil nu hoger en we gaan voor een mil. My love, voor jou, voor ons twee. Baby, verlangen naar de dingen die we nu hebben gepland. Ik laat je vergeten over dingen, je hebt niet beter gekend. Maar maak je geen zorgen baby, want we zijn veel te sterk. On God, let me love you. Ik weet je gewoon aan de zijkant. Ik loef, wat doe je nu voor mij dan?